Hello everyone, I'm Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, SEO consultant, and owner of a Google partner company. So today, let's move on to the question I have with me. So the question is, Hi Ali, about a week ago, I switched my Performance Max campaign from maximum conversion value to the same but with a target ROS. I set my target ROS just behind my average conversion value, and for the best part of the week, I have been super happy with it until this weekend. Yesterday and today, the performance has pretty much hit rock bottom, even though I'm spending the same amount and getting similar impressions, etc. Has anyone had this before? I have made no other changes since adding the target ROS. Could this just be a case of Google learning and trying something different at my expense? Okay, so to answer this, there can be many possible reasons. First thing is you need to know that was it the first weekend or it's been like the second or third weekend, because in I have seen with many clients that the sales are usually low on weekends. For some, definitely for some clients and for some niche, there are scenarios different, and we can see high conversions at weekends. But for majority, the conversions are low on weekends, so there can be. Uh, this can be a reason. So have you tried looking on this aspect that the conversions, why conversion are, this is my personal assumption, that the conversions are low at weekend, so this could be a reason. The second is because you just suddenly shifted to target awareness, so because and Google is fluctuating and trying to learn with new data. So this can be another aspect over here, that because Google is fluctuating, trying to understand. Okay, the third another aspect can be that there is a new competition, competitors activity going on. Okay, my question over here is, are you closely monitoring your quality score? Is it impacted? Because that can also play a role over here, so look around on those things as well, and that could be another as well. So I have few ideas and few suggestions which you can use it to optimize. And first is tweak your landing page, improve your ad with ad extensions. uh, I hope this can still sort out. But if there is a still issue, so me and my team can do a Google Ads audit for you. We had a very good price. The details are in the description of this video and how you can reach with us and work with this. So I hope it answers your question as well. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.